Hello viewers, welcome to Numerical Hub. In this video, we will be looking at a revision question on quadratic equations. We will be looking at a revision question on quadratic equation, and the question is: simplify the expression 4x squared plus 4x minus 24 all over 2x squared minus 18. We are required to simplify this equation to its simplest form. So if you just look at this equation here and start tackling it the way it is, it will become a very big problem to you. So what are you supposed to do? First, let us divide the equation into numerator and denominator. The numerator and the denominator. So we will look at the numerator first. The numerator is 4x squared plus 4x minus 24. If we look at it, we can simplify it, dividing all through by 4, by 4, by 4, and we will obtain x squared plus x minus 6. X squared plus x minus 6. After that, we will factorize the equation now. We will factorize the equation here. So, a plus b should give me 1, and then b should give me negative 6. I want two numbers that when I add them, I'm going to get 1, and when I multiply them, I'm going to get 6. How should I find this number? We will take the number from the product a, b, and factorize it. So we'll get 2 by 3. So 6 we will get by from 2 times 3, and we will get it also by 6 by 1. So since there is a negative here, so to mean that one of these numbers should be negative, and you should look at the one which when you add will give you a smaller value of 1. So to mean this 6 by 1 is out, it will give you a larger number. We will remain with 2 and 3. So if we take 2 to be a negative and then you add 3, you will get 1. So our value here is negative 2x and 3x. So x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. We factorize. So we will put x is common here. So we will put x outside, and then x minus 2. The other bracket should also contain x minus 2. So what we should place here, so that if we multiply back, it will give us 3x minus 6 should be 3. But which type of 3? It should be positive 3. So to mean that our brackets are x plus 3, and then this one here is also x, is x minus 2. We are done with the numerator. Let us look at the denominator now. And our denominator is, from the equation, it was 2x squared minus 18. 2x squared minus 18. We can also simplify this by dividing all through by 2. We will get x squared minus 9. If you look at this is a difference of 2 squares. A difference of 2 squares. A difference of 2 squares is usually written in the form a minus b, a plus b. And this one should give me b squared minus a squared minus b squared. So since this is x squared minus 9, if we write it in the form of difference of 2 squares, it's going to be x minus 3 and x plus 3. We have factorized that. So if we combine our two equations, the numerator will take x plus 3 and x minus 2 all over x minus 3 and x plus 3. X plus 3 and x plus 3 will cancel, so that we will remain with x minus 2 all over x minus 3. This is the equation simplified. Thank you for watching the video. For more content like this on revision and topical questions, don't forget to subscribe to Numerical Hub. Thank you.